so we've just watched Pets Ahoy, and now we've gone over to the Shamu Stadium to watch One Ocean. And as you can see, they have got free roam of all the pools. This show will be stopping by next year, yeah. We've already stopped at one in San Diego. I was about to say San Diego. And this one's going to be stopping. It's going to be more educational. Yeah, like our dolphin show was. Much love the beer, Mitch. That's why I'm repeating stuff. So yeah, so I'm just having a little free swim.
One single act. Join with others and change the course of the future.
Choosing to make a positive change. You build the path for generations to come.
SeaWorld. See it here. Save it here. For park,
relationship. It's not just the relationships that we have with the whales, because we absolutely love them, but it's also the relationships that we have learning about each other as trainers. Over the years, Morgan and I have learned more about one another and how we like to interact with our killer whales, and we're excited and honored to be able to share with you our relationships today. Ladies and gentlemen, please allow me to introduce you all some of our most playful whales, Micaiah and Trua.
behaviors while hunting. They can be pretty awesome to watch. So get ready, because our killer whales are going to show you their power, their strength, and their ability to move lots and lots of water. So I have one question for you guys. Are you guys ready to get wet?
Hi guys, it is a hot day and we've just gone into a shop round by the new Infinity Falls and we've seen these t-shirts which are $23, $23.99, and the shirt is made from 8 recycled plastic bottles and it's called Dumpster Diver by 308. So there's a plastic bottle, then it gets shredded, then they spin it, and you wear it and it turns into the fabric, which I think's very good. And there's all different types of design, and when you touch it, you wouldn't think if it's plastic. So I think it's pretty good, so I think we're going to have a look at that. Just look how fast that is going. So we have finished SeaWorld and done our shopping, and now we are going to eat at one of our favourite places, Golden Corral.
Or as some of our family call it, the Golden Carrot. We've never eaten at this one either, so it'd be interesting to see how it compares to the other two.
Yeah, one of them we didn't like.
Yeah, the one on Vineland wasn't fantastic last time. Don't actually know where the one is that we like. But,
Yeah.
So for the lunch buffet, it's $9.29 each, and the drinks were $2.79, and then it's just all you can eat.
And all you can drink.
And all you can drink, obviously. Free refills. So we'll go up, take a look, and see what there is. We've got popcorn, shrimp, hush puppies, pot roast. Here's my first plate. So I got the awesome pot roast because it is awesome. Mushrooms, onions, carrots, pulled pork.
Hi, Rats.
I think I've got some bourbon chicken under there, some broccoli, some popcorn shrimp. Help if I was showing you popcorn shrimp and pizza. Just look at how easy this just falls apart. It is amazing, so good. So this time I've gone for pizza again because it's really good. More popcorn shrimp because that's really good. Some chips because you got to. Some Brussels sprouts because it's random. Some tater tots and some fried chicken. Afraid I apologise, I've already dug into my s'mores pie. It's very nice. I've got a chocolate brownie which looks very rich. Then up there they also had like apple pies, carrot cake, and what looked like a coconut cake. Quite a lot of choice. Jellies, ice creams, all sorts up there. I would show you, but I got told off for videoing, so I'm not taking you up again. Sorry.
So we have a chocolate ice cream, some cookies and some brownies.
So we are now finished at Golden Corral. The brownie was as expected, very rich, dry, but the topping was amazing. And the s'mores cake was really good. How was your dinner, Liam?
It was yummy.
What was the best bit?
The pot roast.
Pot roast still reigns supreme here at Golden Corral.
And the best thing for pudding is the oat raisin cookie. Best.
Let's carry on.
Right guys, so we left SeaWorld and went to Golden Corral, which you know about. Then once we left Golden Corral, we went to
Back to the flea market.
Then we've been to Bargain World, and now we're on our way to Magic Kingdom to watch the fireworks and just have a browse through the shops really.
From the app, it's looking very, very busy there.
Yeah, it's like a 150-minute wait for quite a few rides. There's nothing above 35-minute wait, below 35 minutes. So yeah, well it is Labor Day weekend, Columbus Day weekend. So the crowd calendars say that today and tomorrow is going to be busy, and on Columbus Day it's going to go back to normal because obviously people are travelling.
Yeah, we found that with Labor Day because normally we're here for Labor Day, aren't we?
Yeah.
Labor Day itself isn't normally that bad.
No. So yeah, that's the plan.
If you don't know what we're talking about the flea market, we went earlier on in our trip. So go back and take a look at that video. I'll put a link in the description. But if you're a Disney pin fan or you're a Pop Funko vinyl figure fan, you want to see that place.
Yeah. Well guys, we are back in Magic Kingdom. When we was getting the boat across, we saw Simon and Lisa and Katrina and Rich from
Jackabella?
Yes, from Jackabella. So I was at a bit gas. And yes. So we're in Magic Kingdom for a bit to watch Happily Ever After for our last time probably this trip. Could squeeze it in tomorrow, but depends what we're doing tomorrow. So yeah, today's just a bit of shopping, wandering around. If we get on rides, we get on some rides, as it is busy for wait times. Gosh, that sounds right. So yeah, that's it for now.
Busy.
Hey guys, so we took a trip into the Magic Kingdom.
As you did see a little bit of.
Yeah, we went to try and attempt Big Thunder Mountain, but no, there was no way that was going to happen.
Even the
Fast
Pass had a long queue. I was like, yeah, no, we're not doing that.
No, so, and the crowds were huge. Well, it was too much for me to handle, because my anxiety really got to me.
What do you want to say?
Well, I don't mind. Yeah, so obviously it just got a bit too much for me, the crowds and everything like that, so let's move. But yeah.
So we decided we were going to head out and head to Walmart or something other.
Target.
Yeah, while everyone else is still
In the park.
there.
We did it on the way back. We managed to watch the fireworks on the ferry, and finished it off at the TTC where we watched it, and it was really nice. It was spacious, you know, I could cope with it, and it was nice to watch it. Yeah, you couldn't see the projections.
But Wishes never had projections, so
No, and the fireworks were phenomenal, weren't
they're
they?
huge, aren't they?
So you don't realise how high they go. So we watched that, and while I was in Magic Kingdom, we did purchase something, but we're not probably telling people until we've received it.
We've ordered our wedding present from
Everybody.
who gave us dollars as a wedding gift.
So, and we've put it all together, and we have.
And we were only $9 short on getting it, weren't we?
Yeah.
So, but it's nice that we've got something that we can keep. That was our wedding gift from everybody who gave us dollars, because obviously people gave us different amounts of dollars, from sort of like $20 to $50, and to buy something from each individual person would have been a hell of a task.
Yeah.
And then also sort of, it's easy to just flitter that money sort of away on meals or on little things here and there, and then you really don't know what people got you.
Yeah.
So we wanted something that when people ask, oh, what did you spend the dollars on, we could say 100% we knew what it was, and it's from everybody who gave us dollars.
Yeah. Sort of a weird, relaxed, chilled, emotional, panic, happy.
It probably doesn't help that we got so emotional at SeaWorld today. So probably throwing us all off balance a little bit.
Yeah, but hey, that's what holidays are for. They're happy, there's sad, there's.
Well, I wouldn't say it's sad. It's just.
It was quite emotional.
Yeah. In a good way.
Yeah, in a really good way. But no, so that's what's happening tonight. So
I think we're just going to go and kill some time now at Walmart or Target or wherever we come across on our way back to the villa. And obviously we can't get in until Joe and Donna are back.
no, so
we're just going to go and kill some time somewhere cool.
but
McDonald's, here we come.
oh yeah, please, a Mackie milkshake.
You can go find a McDonald's on the way back.
I love you.
Love you too.
So yeah, see you later.
There's a cockroach. For some reason, Damian's decided he's a good person.
Damian and my mother.
You left your poor mum out.
She's the one
She's the one out there wants to get it.
She's instructing Damian what to do. Look at that fear on his face.
It's there, Mitch. Mitch.
Well done, Andy, Damian. You're our hero, Mumsie.